Hi guys, I'm Abby J. I'm excited to join you today at the Ingles table right here at our farm at Black Hawk on the beautiful Sequoia River. We're having some guests over at the farm tonight and I'm making my very own Springer Mountain chicken and it's sure to please. Ingles has everything we need to make this amazing dish, so let's have a little fun in the kitchen and let's get started. Okay guys, I just took this Springer Mountain chicken off my grill, and what I've done is I've taken it and I've put some beautiful grill marks on it, and now what we're gonna do, I called it Harvest Springer Mountain Chicken because I take my Harvest canned tomatoes, I can over 250 quarts of heirlooms every year with sweet corn, and that's what I generally put over it. But if you don't have that, I take 2 cups of crushed tomatoes. When I put this in the pan, this is my cast iron pan and I love cooking in cast iron. And then my wine, I take a white wine and just pour over it. This is gonna really intensify those flavors. And with some garlic, this is 2 teaspoons of garlic. What we're gonna do is just put that over that. And then it calls for shishito peppers, but you can use any kind of peppers. Today, I'm taking what's in season. This is the bell peppers. There's a half a cup of these. And then we're going to salt and pepper it. We'll put it in an oven that's preheated at 350 for about 25 minutes. And this is going to be delicious, and we'll be right back. Okay, we just got this out of the oven, my Springer Mountain Farms Harvest chicken. And what I like to do before serving it, I take some of my heirloom tomato vegetables and place this right on top. It gives it a really fresh flavor. So there you have it. Thanks so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Explore the site, check out my recipes, cooking tips, and tricks. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.